Hi, I'm David Harris, Managing Director of Athenry Electrical, and welcome to Athenry Electrical's Knowledge Series. Certificates of Compliance certifies that all electrical work has been carried out in accordance with all regulations and standards. An electrical safety certificate confirms that all work is safe to use and that all tests have been carried out at the time of completion and before livening with electricity. Both COC and ESC are crucial for ensuring compliance and safety for electrical installations. The Electrical Safety Regulations 2010 provide the requirements of what information a COC and ESC are expected to provide. It's important that the customer knows that our certificates are completed correctly. COC and ESC forms are essential legal documents that are intended to be relied upon by both the client and electrical worker for at least 7 years. Unfortunately, there seems to be incompetence by some registered electrical workers around how to correctly complete these documents, potentially making the work unsafe. The Electrical Workers Registration Board have been made aware of incorrectly completed ESCs and COCs by electrical workers through a WorkSafe energy safety audit. Electrical Safety Regulations Clause 10 defines the penalty levels for regulation infringements from 2,000 through to 50,000. Invalid COCs may also have far-reaching consequences, with significant financial impacts realised even in the absence of regulatory enforcement. One significant implication is the potential compromise of insurance coverage. Insurance policies often hinge on adherence to industry standards and regulations, make it imperative for COCs to be both valid and up to date. At Athenry Electrical, we stress the importance of accurate COCs and ESCs. We conduct regular COC audits and provide ongoing training to ensure we continue with a high industry standard. Our goal is to reduce our customers' risks by ensuring compliance.